Beauty unboxing. I have wigs, I have facial treatment, lip treatments, and everything in here as you're seeing here. Okay guys, in case if it's your first time, thank you so much for tuning in, and SHEIN, thank you for sponsoring this video. Gorgeous. If you like it here, why not subscribe and hit on that bell icon so that you will be notified each time I upload a new video. Without wasting much of your time, let's get into it. I'm going to introduce all this to you guys. If you've been on my channel, you know some of these things, they are not new to you because I use them in a daily basis. I have reviewed some of them some time ago, and these are new ones I want to review with you guys. So if you're interested in getting any of all these SHEIN beauty products, why not head to the description box? All details will be on the description box. Alright guys, with all that being said about all these beauties, let's get into this video. So I'm going to bring out this first one. So first I'm going to show you guys is this body firming hot cream. See it? Okay, this is it. So let me bring it out from the case. I've opened everything just for me to be fast because I don't want to take much of your time. So this is it. This is how the container looks like. Okay, and yeah, you see I've not opened this one, but we're going to open it because I know I'll be using this, so I will open it for you guys to see. There is no smell, just see this. Okay, it's so smooth in my hand and it doesn't have any smell. Oh yeah, this is so cool in my hand. Oh, look at it, and it has a little bit shine oil to it. You see it? You see this? That's so good. Okay guys, the next is this collagen moisturizing cream. I have reviewed this cream before. This is the one I have. My old one I'll be using to tell you guys. You can see how far I have used this. It's almost gone. I'm so happy that I had to get another one. You can see it, guys. Next is going to be this vitamin C brightening cream. Vitamin C brightening cream. It's my first time of getting this one. You can see. Let me bring it out for us to see. So it's like this. It looks like the other one too. See, it's the same brand, SHEIN. So this is it. It's the same thing, but they said it's brightening vitamin C brightening cream. Okay, I've not used this one before. It's my first time, so I'll come back to tell you guys if it is good. But I know it will be like the rest ones because the rest one, because of my nails, I cannot. Okay, so this is it. You guys can see this is it. Okay, you see it? Yeah, it's the same thing. Let me see. Yeah, the same smell and the texture is the same thing. I'll move on to this one. This one is a moisturizing face gel. Okay, moisturizing face gel. I've done my makeup. If not, I would have applied this on my face for you guys to see, but I did my makeup, I cannot. And it's like this. Ooh, look at this, so cute. Let me open it. It's the same way. I want to smell it. See, it's like gel. Smells so nice. Can you guys see it? Yeah, I hope it's not pouring out. Okay, this moisturize your face. I'm going to try all these. I'll come back here to tell you guys. I would like SHEIN to resend me some of all these, okay? Some of all these products, because the products are so nice. Their products are so nice. So this one is a purple teeth powder. I bought this one in my last review. I think I have it, and I order it again because of my teeth. I use this. Okay, it's a powder. It's purple. The color is purple. Smoothie serum hyaluronic acid is like, look at it. I don't know if I'm not pronouncing it well. Hyaluronic acid. Can you guys see it? Okay, you can see it like this. Yeah. So this like this is a serum. My hand because of the cream. I can't open it because of the. Okay, let me see if I can use this. Okay. Yeah. See it. Oh, this smells so nice. Wow, it smells so amazing. It smells so amazing. Okay. Like I said, all the details, the links are going to be on the description box, so if you're interested, check it out. This one is honey smoothing foot cream. This is a foot cream. I still ordered this one. My last review, I have this one too. The other one is the other side. I've opened that one. It's like you know the way Vaseline is. That's how it is. The texture is the same thing. If you know Vaseline, it's the same texture, and it's so good for your foot. Like the other time I reviewed, I said I don't do pedicure, manicure, all those things. It's even not long I start popping up nails because of SHEIN that sent some nails to me, and there are some nails here too that I want to share with you guys. Just hold on, don't be in hurry. You see this one, I just popped them on. This is the ones they sent me to. It's in another review that I want to do after this one. See this. So yeah, this is so good. It makes your foot so soft. With this, you don't need to go to those salons to do manicure or pedicure, whatever you want to do. So this is it. Get it, and it's affordable. This is collagen facial mask. In my last review, I did this one, and in one of my vlog I used it. I don't know, I'm going to put the link on the description box, and I'm still going to link down that video that I did on the description box, so you watch them out. If you've not seen it, you see this beauty stuff that I got from SHEIN too. So this mask, I love their mask because you see the result instantly when you wear them. That's one thing I like about them. So this one is collagen facial mask. It hydrates your skin. Okay, then in here I have this one is strawberry color changing lip oil. It's an oil. Okay, it's lip gloss. I still have this one. I have this one. I think so. In the other, let's see. You guys should sorry that baby is there. You'll be hearing his voice. My mom-in-law is around to take care of him, but it's not easy. I would say it's easy because toddler. Oh gosh, no one ever told me that toddlers are like this. So the next one is this one. This one is a collagen lip care. This one is a lip care too. This is it. Let me show you guys this is it. Can you guys see it? I think you guys can see it. And this is it inside. It's pink. It's pink. The color is pink. Can you guys see the real color? Yeah, this is it. Pink. Oh, I love this. Hey, let me see what that smell. You have a little smell, so nice. Smells so nice. Then this other one, I don't want this video to be too long, that's why I'm all over the place. This one is lip care too, collagen lip care. This is it. You guys can see it. Collagen, can you guys see it? Okay, collagen lip care. It's the same form. Okay, yeah, it's the same form. See it. A lot. Ooh, see, a lot of these. Wow, And all these things, they are affordable. You see that? You see what you get? There is the plastic in here. No, nothing. I thought there is something on top. Smell like the other one too. It's the same smell they have. Then the next item is multifunctional eyelash serum. It's eyelash serum, okay? See it. Multifunctional eyelash serum. It's for eyelash. Okay. Yeah, this is it. You put it on your lashes. Then the other side was in the other side because it's two sides. This one has this brush. You can see this brush. Okay, that is it. So the last thing I want to share with you guys is a wig. You guys know I love wigs. Okay, no, I still have nails. I have these nails. In the last video I did about beauty, I did these nails. I'm going to put the video here, or I'll put a little clip of it. These nails here, okay, they are so gorgeous, but they are long. I love the way they are. Let me bring it out. I can't wait to wear these ones again. I just changed this yesterday. I can't wait to wear this again because I really like them. I like the way they are. I like the form. I like the design. See it. If you've seen that video, you must have seen this, but if it's your first time here, maybe you've not seen it. It always comes with a nail file. They are pressed on nails, okay? Press on, but me, I prefer using glue instead of the press on so that I can use them for like 3 weeks, because the last time I used that one for like 3 weeks. I carried for like 3 weeks with the lace glue, and the lace glue too is from SHEIN. I'm going to share that in another video with you guys because I have the lace glue. So the next thing is the wig. Okay, let's bring it out. So the wig, there's wig cap that comes with it. I'm not so certain. I'm not going to install the wig. This is a wig cap. This wig cap came with it, and all these with the wigs they have, all these cards, more cards inside. Then let's talk about the wig. Let me put this here. So this is the wig. The wig is 14 inches and I think it's straight. Okay, the details about the wig will be on the description, so check it out. It's 13 by 4 lace wig. Yeah, it's 13 by 4 lace wig. Look at it, and it's black. Look, they pluck the hairline already for you. You can see it. The hairline is plucked, and for 14 inches this is long. See it. This black, so beautiful. I'm wearing wig. If not, I'm supposed to like pull this one and wear it for you guys to see. Look at the back, because it's 13 by 4. There's a lace at the back. It has inbuilt adjustable strap. It came with combs as well. And what else? The knot is bleach. The knot is bleach. It's just for you to cut the lace off, then you are good to go. Look at this. Look at the hairline. Look at it. It is bleached. It is pre-plucked, and see, it's a little bit wavy. You can straighten it if you want. Okay, and wait, let me see. I shed little. I will not lie. Wait. Just that one. Okay, so that is it, and it's affordable. It's human hair, 100% human hair. Okay, so this is it. You see it, lovely, lovely. We love it. 14 inches, 13 by 4 lace wig, beautiful. Alright guys, now we come to the end of this video. I'm going to see you guys in my next one. So gorgeous, in case if you're interested in all these things I shared, you can just head to the description box. The link to each of the items will be there. If you haven't downloaded the SHEIN app, you can download it in any device you're using. Just download it, use the Apple Store, or you use your whatever, I forgot the name they call it. Alright guys, I will see you guys in my next one. Gorgeous, please, before you go, if you haven't subscribed, hit on that subscribe button and that bell icon. Thank you so much for doing that. I really appreciate it. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.